What is a full face fat grafting? Full face fat grafting, also known as autologous fat transfer, is a cosmetic procedure that involves harvesting fat from one area of the patient's body and injecting it into specific areas of the face to restore volume, contour, and improve overall facial aesthetics. This technique is particularly beneficial for individuals who experience signs of aging, such as wrinkles, sagging skin, and pronounced facial lines. The procedure typically begins with liposuction to collect fat, often from areas such as the abdomen, thighs, or buttocks. The harvested fat is then processed to remove impurities and strategically injected into specific areas of the face, including the cheeks, under the eyes, and temples. One of the key advantages of full face fat grafting is that it uses the patient's own tissue, minimizing the risk of allergic reactions or rejection. It provides a natural look and feel as the fat integrates with the surrounding tissue. Patients often notice immediate volumization in the treated areas, though some of the fat may be reabsorbed by the body over time. The recovery process generally involves some swelling and bruising, but these symptoms typically subside within a week. Full face fat grafting is an effective solution for those looking to enhance their facial appearance with a natural approach, offering both rejuvenation and enhancement through the use of their own body fat.